We don't make parts for motorcycles, we make parts for Harley-Davidson. My name's Kevin of the K&DK Custom Products. Partner's name is Devin, he's the D&DK Custom Products. We are in Hickory Flat, Mississippi, which is about 60 miles southeast of Memphis, Tennessee. We started out with Devin making parts in the enclosed back porch of the house he was living in, and then me having the parts in our garage and shipping them out from there.
We had started the company doing mostly hand fabrication of components. We were wanting to expand our product line, so we were looking into CNC machining, doing more billet components, stuff like that. I chose the TM2P as our first machine specifically because it was a single phase machine. We were in a lot smaller shop at the time, and we didn't have three-phase power. The work envelope was the second thing. I was still doing a lot of the hand fabrication, so I wanted to be able to set the machine up to run a whole bunch of parts at a time and have long cycle times so I could actually get other tasks done as well. Then as we grew our product line, we were having to outsource, and then we really saw the need for the SD20Y. There's one particular product, the catch can, that is really a lathe part. And I was actually making them on the mill, doing some undercutting, stuff like that. On this particular part now, we can load the bar feeder up, and before we go home, tell it to go, and it runs, around 5.5 hours. We decided to get the VF2 SS when our production levels were getting so high on the TM machine. At this point, we've now shifted most of the production to the VF2. The TM machine now is used more for R&D and supporting the VF. So we have been using HaasTooling.com for a lot of our stuff, and we're actually using it more and more now as they're flushing out the line of products. My most recent purchase was the cutoff tooling for the lathe. We also got the heat shrink machine and tool holders. With the heat shrink tooling, we can rely on rigidity in the tool holder and low run out of the tool.
The one thing we do when we design a part, what's important to us is that it's easy for the customer to install. Of course, it provides a function that they can't get from someone else's part, and that we can build it where we can have a lifetime warranty on it. Today we have over 750 parts that we make here in the US. We do a lot of air cleaners, we do a lot of external breather systems, foot pegs, coil relocations, tour pack relocations. We've started making our own shock absorbers. When we started DK Custom Products, it was myself and Devin, and then my wife who was shipping. We now have myself and Devin and 14 employees. So we're just looking to continue our annual growth with more and more parts made by the Haas machines.